Do y'all?
Oh wait, I think is like Clarissa coming in?
Oh,
And
okay.
yeah, a couple more people.
Okay, Nick is here. Nick.
Hey y'all.
Hey, Nick.
How are y'all doing?
We're hanging in there.
The lecture was that bad?
Huh?
The lecture was that bad?
No, it wasn't bad. It was just long
Yeah.
and work and everything. So it was just very long.
Yeah, it was a lot of material.
Yeah, right.
It was any rushes like towards the end. And it's like information overload.
Yeah, it is very much so. Okay. We're just waiting on Clarissa. Okay. I guess we can start with the team name, guys.
Okay.
Start discussing that.
So I added that comment there, just basically saying that if we want to change our team name to UTSA Students for Kids to kind of correspond with our campaign name, then I am totally fine with that.
I don't want to make it seem like I know that there was already a meeting where you guys sort of had voted on a couple names, and then we voted via a poll in GroupMe. But I just wanted to bring, I don't particularly care what the team name is, but I think it makes sense and it's somewhat logical to say, hey, shouldn't the team name have something to do with the project, which it currently doesn't. But I'm not, it's not something I'm gonna like, I'm not gonna die on that hill. It doesn't matter that much. I wasn't there for the conversation of the first meeting, but I had sent a couple emails about some suggestions of names I had, and I'm not a very creative person to come up with an excellent name. I did send my suggestion of, but it doesn't matter. Really, if everybody prefers this name, then that's fine. I just didn't know if that conversation ever happened about, hey, should the name have something to do with what we're doing?
Yeah, that makes sense. And also, since we already kind of created our campaign name, it would kind of be a little bit confusing to have a team name and then a separate campaign name. So it just makes sense to just have one solid name. And I'm fine with UTSA Students for Kids, if that's what y'all are okay with.
Yeah, I like that name.
I'm fine with
Yeah,
it
I
as
like
well.
that too.
So yeah, I'm fine with it as well. So how many people is that? That's fine with it. That's four of us?
4 of us.
Yeah, okay. So y'all want to go ahead and go with this as our name? Because
Sounds
I already sent this in as our campaign name, so.
Yeah.
I would say it's 5 of us because Robert's comment says that he's basically okay with whatever we say. So
Yeah, he has 2 votes. Nick, that's Nick. Nick has 2 votes.
I saw that. I was like,
Yeah.
nice. That's a win for Nick.
Team manager, right? And he has 2 votes, so he kind of breaks the tie if we ever have a tie. Okay, UTSA Students for Kids it is. That's Clarissa. So UTSA for Kids it is, you guys. All righty. So we got that, right?
Nice.
Okay,
Hello.
we're moving along.
Moving along.
All righty. So, okay. So what else? Proposed organization. We got it. Staff.
I think we're good there.
All right, team vision. Can we have more than 2 team visions? Combine it all?
I think we should just have one clear vision, but maybe we can like combine ideas. Maybe we just have one.
With my comment was an attempt to combine both of the existing visions that both sound really good. So my comment in the, that's there, I was trying to take both of the good ideas, both Tammy and Jen's, and try to make it a single unified thought. I don't know if I did it well.
Where's that
That
at?
was the goal.
Where's it at?
See the comments on, all my comments are in the margin on the right where it says no child should ever be hungry or malnourished. We'll raise right there.
So this is it here, what you wrote?
Yeah,
Okay, so you kind of combine both.
I mean, I tried to without being too wordy, because if we, I
Okay,
tried to include the part that you brought, Tammy, about no child should ever have to go through this. And then I tried to combine and include what Jen said about contributing to this charity specifically.
all right. What do y'all think? Sounds good to me, combining. Or do you
Yeah,
want to keep it simple, Jen?
I like that one, the commented one.
That's one.
Yeah, I like that one too.
All right, let's go with this. I'm copying and pasting tonight. Copy and paste. All right, team vision. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, what else? What else? What else we got? Okay, leadership roles. We need Meet and Robert.
Can you scroll down I had made a long comment somewhere here and it looks like it's gone.
Which one?
Yeah, one of my comment here is missing about I had a comment in the underneath that one about I guess if it's but the thing is it's a Google Doc, so if it's a live document and now it's not there anymore. But I had written out like 5 or 6 different proposed leadership roles that
I think I should be able to go back and find it, but okay, what,
I'm just turning on my computer to see if I can find it myself, but
Nick, are you okay with your role? Clarissa, are you guys okay with your role?
Yes, that's fine with me.
Okay,
Yes, so once everything's more settled, I'm gonna create a flyer
okay,
with the team name.
okay. Okay, yeah, I think you missed the part, the beginning. We are going to be Team UTSA Students for Kids, the same as the campaign name that we submitted. To be honest, I mean, I really think that like we can have more than one project manager as well as program manager. Because say, someone's needed to back up Jennifer and myself, if you guys.
that's fine with me.
I can back somebody up.
So I'm thinking more of, we can have more than one project manager, we can have more than one program manager as well.
Yeah, that's fine with me. I think, yeah, as long as we have like an actual like role assigned rather than the like shared leadership and stuff, because like in the document with the instructions, it says like list your team members and the role of each, what special skill or interest makes each assignment appropriate. So that's why I kind of went into a little more like detail in the document as far as like what I can bring to the table. And so, because I'm trying to be a little more like descriptive, like that way it kind of shows thought that was put into the process.
Okay, that's fine. We're gonna use your exact words for your roles.
if you click at the top, on, where it says comments, because, yeah, well, I mean, I don't know. I had a long comment about different roles, and it's a really long one, so I don't want to read it to you guys, and I have Zoom open on my phone, and Zoom's not working on my computer, but I basically had some suggestions of different roles that people could play. I'm okay doing whatever, but I had thought through this quite a bit, and it got deleted somehow.
Okay. I think everybody's okay with their role. We just need yours and Robert's. Mickey's okay, Clarissa's okay, Tammy's okay, Jennifer. So we just need yours and Robert's. What your specific role's gonna be. That way we can complete.
I mean, is there something that you got here? I know that we're both in it right now, but I could put my comment here so you guys can see
Okay, that's fine.
what, so I'm putting it back where I don't, yeah, like I said, I don't know what happened to it, but if you look at this one, I have 5 different ideas of of roles. And if anybody thinks any of these are things that we need that we're missing, I'd be happy to fill in with any of these,
Okay.
except social media manager, because I'm, that's not my strong suit at all.
Okay, which one do you choose out of these roles?
Well, I don't want to choose without making sure that everybody agrees that these are rules that are like necessary. Like, I don't want to force everybody to say, hey, this is something we need. So, and when I made this was, some of these roles weren't like, when I put this comment in, nobody had a role on here. So I guess I have to like go back and forth and see, but like I could be a treasurer. You know, do we need a treasurer? Is that something you guys think we need? That keeps up with what's being, donated?
Yeah, I think that would be good since, we decided that we're gonna utilize, raise funds. I think that would be a good, role.
Okay, then that's fine with me. Do we have somebody who's doing social media? That's another, like, is that gonna fall in with what you're doing, Clarissa?
Yeah, I can do that, but how, like, what do you want me to do exactly? Like, set up social media platforms for the project, or spread the word? Like, I was kind of thinking like we just make a flyer and we can share it, and then also like getting in touch with, like, for example, Mod Pizza, and seeing if we can do the profit share.
Yeah, that's a good idea, Carissa. And what you-
Yeah.
But do you want me to create social media, or like I can share it on my personal one, maybe even LinkedIn?
Either or,
Uh,
either or. What do you
I
think?
think if we all share it on LinkedIn, that's a really good, we could see how much we generate from that.
Mhm. Or even like in our class group me's, and then I can share it in like this organization that I'm in as well. Yeah, just try to spread the word.
Okay, so what else role is left that we can give Robert?
I was gonna ask real quick, so, cause with that, like, is Mod Pizza, like, for sure thing, like, cause I'm not sure if I should reach out to them, like, cause I wasn't sure if we like decided on it or what, cause that's why I wanted to ask, if that's something that we wanted to do and if I should reach out to them.
I mean, it's totally up to you. If you want to reach out to them, I can reach out to them as well. But I definitely think that we should try it. Or if, like, let's say they don't want to do it, we can try small businesses. I'm not sure how it would work exactly.
Okay, well,
Yeah, because with that, like I would just need to send an application in, like in regards to that. And so that's why I wanted to ask, y'all like bring it up in the meeting if that's something that we for sure wanted to do, or if there were any other ideas.
I thought that was part of profit sharing that we agreed on.
Yeah, but I wanted to make sure like that we were okay with Mod Pizza. And if, for sure that's something that we wanted to do before, like, I reach out to them.
I say yes.
Yes, as long as we know who is doing it, you or Clarissa, that way y'all won't cross paths. In both.
Or we can work together on it too.
Yeah, I can work with you, Clarissa, on that.
Okay. Because I'm pretty sure that I would have to make a flyer before. I'm not sure if that's how it works. I think they might need it.
Mm.
Or like a proposal and stuff.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll look into that more and I'll reach out to you.
Okay, sounds good. If y'all can send or share your LinkedIn links just so I can connect with everyone. Once we do have to like start spreading the word. So you can just send it on the group me.
I don't even know if I have an active LinkedIn. Okay, so
With my
only
LinkedIn.
person- I don't think I have one.
Okay.
I don't know.
Well, if you do have one, that's okay. If not, I mean, we can use another platform.
Mhm. Okay, so what role do we need for Robert? We need a role for Robert.
If everything goes through with Mod Pizza, I think that like a treasury role would be good.
That's a meet. A meet is a treasurer.
Oh, okay.
Treasurer manager. You want to be treasurer manager or just treasurer?
It doesn't, treasury manager sounds great. I'll put it on my CV. What about, I had listed an idea of like let's see, we already have a team manager, we've got a program manager. I don't know. I got nothing. I mean, we're making things up as we go a little bit because we don't necessarily.
Right. Mhm.
I mean, maybe we could for now say he's the social media manager. We could change it later, right? Because that's the only role that I suggested that exists in these 5 that hasn't been delegated, and I think it's okay to say that somebody's doing that.
Right. Just for the April 19th deadline. Okay, where is he? All
Yeah,
right.
I'm sure we can always change it, and kind of be flexible about it as we progress further into the project. So I don't think it's too binding.
Mhm. Agreed.
I agree.
Okay, are we fine with the team communication, guys? You want to change anything?
Looks good to me.
Good to me.
So what goals and project goals and milestones? We can use all of them. Which ones you want to use all? Are they feasible?
Tammy, can you click the show more button under my comment? I'm sorry I put all my stuff in comments. I know you guys edited within the post. I just thought it would be easier. Go a little, yeah. So I came up with some ideas of like
Mhm.
milestones every 2 weeks. That way we'd have some more specific stuff.
Oh,
I don't know if everybody would agree to these or if they think it's even reasonable to do that, but at least that way we've got something that we're catching and it keeps us honest too.
I think that's
Yeah.
good.
I
I
like.
think, I was thinking we needed it to be like a more like specific, and so I think that's good to have like, time frame.
Yeah. I like that too. Yeah, let's go ahead. Once I cut and paste everything, then I'll send everybody a copy. That way we can go over it, edit it, modify whatever we need to do before submitting it. Okay. So, okay, I guess I'll give everybody time to read through these.
So real quick, Tammy, so there you have project goal and milestones, and then underneath.
I can't hear you. Who's that talking? I can't hear you.
It's me, Jennifer. Can you hear
Okay.
me?
Yes.
Now we can hear you.
Okay, sorry. So, there you have project goal and milestones. And then if you scroll down, it looks like it's kind of repeated. What is the project goal? So if there, is there a way we can like kind of separate that? Because it's like the project goal is twice.
Okay. So I guess we use this one as the milestone, project milestones, and this one, what is project goals?
I thought the Amit's comment, I thought those were the milestones.
Which ones?
The ones on the right with the every 2 weeks.
These here, the milestones. Okay, you want to use this as the milestones?
Yeah, I think that would make the most sense.
Right
Yeah.
here to the right, make this the project milestone.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Yeah, I think that,
Okay, project milestone. Let me write that down. Okay. Okay, do we need any project goals?
I don't know what the difference between the goals and the milestones are.
I think the milestones are what, a targeted approach on a week by week basis or every 2 weeks like I did it here. And a goal is, this is what we will accomplish by the end of the project.
Mhm.
So
Okay, so that the goal, like, would it be like an overall goal? So those three statements down there, would that be the goal? Either one of those three, I guess.
and it does say goal with S in parentheses. So we could have multiple goals.
Yeah,
I don't know what kind.
yeah, Matt, and you can, where my comment is, you can change the word profit. I was,
Oh, we can't hear you again.
sorry. Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay, sorry. So with my goal, whatever, you can change the word profit to funds. So I didn't mean to use the word profit. Or I can change it.
Okay. I think we have to take this out right here. This mission statement is contingent on whatever organization we select. This is what I had got from Robert. I think we can take this out part.
well, that one's kind of general in itself because it just says a local NPO.
Okay, so just take this one out altogether. And just leave these two.
Mm, I'm not sure. What do y'all think?
Because I remember in class, he was saying, okay, we're gonna be doing the fundraising, but what are we gonna get out of it? Is it, to get a good grade? Or are you gonna learn something from it? So I was like, okay, well, I kind of put that in there. We can learn and grow from the experience.
Yeah, I like that bit. That's a good bit.
So you wanted these two, Jennifer?
Yeah, I'm good with that. Whatever.
Right, we can have more than one goal.
Yeah.
Okay, so these two, and this is kind of like general. What do y'all think? Okay,
I'm
well,
not sure. I don't like to, cut something out without Robert's opinion because he's the one that created that one.
okay. Okay, well, we can add it, but this mission statement is contingent on what, we can't say. this.
Yeah, you can. I think you can get rid of the parentheses.
Cut this part out.
Yeah.
Okay, all right, you got 2 votes, Nick. Let's go. All right.
I think that's good. I think those are 3 good goals. The only question I think I have is, are they the same? Like, is number 1 and number 3, are they essentially the same thing?
That's what I was thinking. I feel like they're basically saying the same thing.
Okay,
But Tammy, I do like yours because it mentions what we get out of it or what we hope to get out of it,
right.
as well as the other goal of increasing awareness for Snack Pack for Kids.
Mhm.
And then it also mentions like kind of how we're gonna do it. So via social media and then profit sharing.
What if
Yeah,
go ahead.
I'm so sorry. I would, can you hear me? By the way?
Yeah.
Okay, so with mine, I was kind of leaning towards like kind of pinpointing it to support our local community versus a national like nonprofit or whatever. So that's what I was kind of leaning towards with mine, is like kind of focusing on the actual local community aspect of it. And so I'm not sure, maybe there's a way we can kind of combine the two and maybe put to increase awareness of Snack Pack for Kids program to our local community via social media and assist in profit sharing to help raise monetary contributions. So maybe, I don't know, we can kind of focus on the aspect of a local community aspect versus national.
I think that term profit sharing is incorrect too, because it's a, we're trying to discuss like contributions to a nonprofit organization.
It's not technically profit, but it's like they're called profit shares. So I don't know how we go about that.
Yeah.
Well, I was kind of putting in what Clarissa is gonna be doing. And I think they called it profit sharing, so that's why I put that in.
Okay. Yeah.
So that's why I put that in.
That makes sense.
Okay, so just combine, I'll combine this, you to, for the local community, add that part in.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, I think if we kind of pinpoint like the local community, as since we're really trying to, since Snack Pack for Kids is more local versus national.
Okay, well, okay. We'll combine this. These two, and then Robert's individually or keep his?
The part of Roberts that is different than what's already in the other two is just the brand recognition component. The rest of it, I think we already have. So if we added some, and I think that's important to do too, because I didn't know about this charity until you guys brought it up. I know about the food bank because I think they have better brand recognition for whatever reason. But I think that part is important. So if we could add the brand recognition part of what he inputted and then combine the local community component from Jen's into yours, Tammy. So basically adding the brand recognition and local community part into what you made, Tammy, I think would be, then we'd have one goal, but it establishes all the things that were discussed by our group.
Okay. Alrighty. Okay, I'll combine that. Some kind of way. I'll combine, make sure it says all this and into one. And then I'll send it for editing and modifications. So define, you know what? I think, Jennifer, I don't know if this is a requirement. I think I kind of put this as, kind of like milestones for our team.
That wasn't one of the things on, was that one of the things on the template or no?
I think it's something that I had added. I can't.
Yeah, I think it's something that you did add actually.
Yeah.
I think it's just for
For
the project.
For the project. Okay,
Yeah.
so just the big red X on this, keep it between us.
Yeah, if it's not on the rubric, then that's fine with me to get rid of it.
Yeah.
Nick got 2 votes.
Yep.
Okay.
I like my role.
And you're very good at it. And that's the reason I assigned you that role. You're very good at it. So, yeah. So, okay. So, what I'm gonna do, I guess I'm gonna put this in a Word document, send it to everybody. And everybody can add, subtract before we finalize it. I think it's Saturday that it's due. Ooh, it's right around the corner.
Hey,
Okay.
before we hang up, guys, I tried to wordsmith that project goal a little bit. I'm gonna paste it right here onto the document. I just put it right there. Just so we could get, because that's gonna be the hard, of all the things we just talked about, that's the thing that was the most, it's gonna take some work. So can you guys look at that and tell me what you think? I just, like the
This right
last,
here. Woo,
it is, yep, right there. I'll put,
woo, good deal. I mean, that's what I'm talking about. Exactly. Get this copy and paste. Okay, and we said what is the project goal, right? Project goal.
What if, just to throw the word local in there, we replace the, to help solve food insecurities for local youth instead of our youth?
which one, where are you looking?
Here, I'll,
I have local earlier in the sentence though, to help support our local community. Oh,
oh
okay.
my god,
You wanna have it there twice?
I see what you're saying.
We
Yeah,
could
it's
put it,
already at the front of the sentence. I think.
I
it'd be
need to,
better if it
read better, sorry.
no, that's okay. We can move it if it's better in a different place.
No, local community, that's fine with me.
All righty.
I don't love the profit sharing thing personally, but I get it. I know why it's there. So it's just, it feels icky to say we're gonna profit share into a nonprofit organization, but I know why. So.
What should we say? Me, was
No, I don't think you can. I mean, if that's what we're gonna do, and then it is what it is. But if it gets brought up, I think it's, we could say just monetary contributions, and then it's, it doesn't matter where, because the other thing is it may come from, if we do share it on social media, some of our team members or even, some of the other people in the class might contribute, and that's not profit sharing. That's just a donation. So
I
could we say via social media and monetary contributions of various sorts or something like that?
I was gonna say instead of profit sharing campaigns, we can just put fundraising through
Oh,
That's what I
that's
thought about
great.
too.
and
That's
fundraising.
great.
Yeah, because that's kind of an umbrella term, so you can do more with fundraising than a profit share.
How's that?
Hey, Nick got 2 votes.
I like it.
All right.
Okay, let me copy.
This was a very productive meeting.
It was, wasn't it? Fun.
Yep.
All righty.
All right, so just to be clear, Tammy, you're gonna make this, take what we did here and make it like pretty, and then send a copy to everybody to review, and then we'll submit it by Saturday. Is that the plan?
Yes.
Okay.
I mean,
Do we, does one of us submit it, or do you guys know how?
Chief editor as well.
Okay, I'm happy to do that. I'm
Okay.
and I have time to do that tomorrow and Friday, so that's no problem. Do you guys know how we upload? Like, did he talk about that? Where do we have to email it to him, or is there a port? There've been a couple group projects I've done. This is my last semester. I don't know if you guys are almost done too, but there've been there's been so many different ways that group projects get done in different classes. So, I was in one class, one person does it for the whole group, and another class, everyone uploads the same thing. Does anybody know? Because we probably have to figure that out.
Yeah, the project manager, Jennifer, uploaded in Blackboard. We have that Blackboard where it says groups.
Okay, that's great.
We go there and upload it.
Okay, so once everything's finalized and I get the okay from everybody, then I would upload it
Yes,
into Blackboard. Okay, I just want to make sure.
yes. Yes, after you receive it from the chief and editor,
Yeah.
Okay,
it is the go. Is everybody good?
Yeah.
Looks good to
I
me.
think so.
Looks good to me.
All righty, thank you guys so much. Appreciate you guys.
Thank
showing
you
up.
guys.
everybody.
Y'all are awesome.
Have a good night.
All right.
Thank
so-
Thank y'all.
you.
Good
Okay.
work.
Good night.
Bye.